Hi. We are Dynavac India private company. We have past 30 years in this field. We are manufacturing industrial vacuum cleaners, dust collectors and pollution control equipments. And we do have industrial vacuum cleaner 2 sectors, wet and dry models. And we start with 1 SP up to 15 SP we do have. And also dry vacuum cleaner we do have. We will start also 1 SP up to 15 SP we do have the dry vacuum cleaner. And also we do have commercial vacuum cleaners. These are our commercial vacuum cleaners. In this we do have single motor, double motor and triple motors. For car cleaning application, carpet cleaning, you can go for this type of models. And your heavy duty for wet application, all those things, you can go for this models, Hydra series. And if for dry application for textile industry, you can go for our Nova series. In this we do have attack flame proof model we do have, and also 3 stainless steel models we do have, and metal and liquid separator model we do have. And we do have starts from this ring blower with the flame proof. Yes, and then we do have the dust cutters with the cartridge filter system, automatic purchase cleaning system. Starts from 1 SP up to 100 SP we do have. Depends upon the application we will use to suggest the filters. We do have specialized team in our factory, in our faculties. They will suggest which machine is suitable for the application. We have 2 units, unit 1 in Vedapatti, unit 2 in Chettipalayam. Yeah, you can contact our website www.dynavac.in. Our sales people will reach you. Thank you.